safe.
The cameras is because this is like a gate to an elementary school.
Oh. We're not trying to touch kids, we're trying to go up there. Let's move on before we get caught.
Yeah.
Il en faut pour les faux qui font face à l'authenticité d'un style efficace. L'invasion.
Like, I'm like, search out how there's no one. It was closed.
I mean, as long as there's no cameras.
As long
And
as there's soda cans, they're already in blue.
unless we want to drive another hour, like, we're not coming back here, so.
God, look how crisp that mountainside is. It feels similar but very different to the Rockies.
This is fucking nuts.
Overlooking this was like a prison and you were locked in here, not a bad view.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Steepest staircase on the planet.
Are we going in? What does this mean? The sign.
Enter, please. It's really cool in here.
Oh God.
Oh God, that's the same staircase.
Oh, and it's like metal.
Once you get down here, it's so sick. You gotta come down here.
Oh my God.
This doesn't even look real. It's like shit from a movie.
Hopefully there's not like toxic dust.
Big ass spider webs.
There's a light on. Oh, it got cold. It got cold.
Yeah, it does look right.
Oh my God.
There's like branches to it.
This is so black.
Oh, check it out. It's like a fucking courtyard right here.
Oh my God, bro. Those seem safe. Those seem up to code. 4 hours in there. Never could I have fucking imagined this.
We'll have to find a different way into that part.
Oh, there's like more hiking trails.
620.
Fuck, maybe I have to come back and hit a hike. Back in the tunnel. Oh God.
Let's just go down this way first because it looks like a dead end. That's my rose.
What is back? What could be back there?
I don't know. Why don't you try crawling?
No way in hell am I going back there?
Oh, we gotta keep going up. Is this like a poop ball? Fuck, I gotta piss on this.
Let's go up first.
Something that makes this even more insane is like we have the place to ourselves.
Yeah.
There's 2 other people.
What's that? Like an ancient heater?
Here, wait. Stand right here, and I'm just gonna come and like hit that.
Alright, tight.
The way that's actually 1903 and someone drew a penis.
I think it's fair to say we're not going up here.
It's like we could maybe get up this part, but then like
What did you do there?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how safe it is.
I don't think it goes anywhere. It's gonna like cave in.
Yeah, and then I like fall down an ancient set of stairs.
Oh, dude, it goes down.
It feels fucking solid.
It didn't look solid. Dude, the whole beam was shaking. The whole thing's gonna come down.
It's not. It's actually
No, that green one. I'm just waiting for this fucker to collapse on my head. Get your ass down here now.
Fuck, I wanna go to the top.
Somehow, if like this is like this, I doubt the top is very stable.
Didn't think about that.
Hopefully that's not load bearing. Well, we can go down here. Except these stairs are pretty sus too.
Yeah, I mean it's the same staircase.
Yeah, I
This
suppose.
must be closed for a fucking while. It must have been closed for a while. Oh,
Yeah.
it says 3:10:22. Where is that?
28.
Or is that 18? Looks like 18 actually.
I mean, I can see like holes in there. It goes down, but like, I don't know if there's a point.
Yeah, I can fucking hilarious if that's 1903 at least.
There's no way.
Fest 2002.
What? What's going on in Miami? So it's like the last time it was open.
Maybe. 2005.
Look at these old ass graphics.
It's like a time capsule.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh! What's going on? Why not?
What the hell is even this?
Hey, you want an answer? Oh, it's hands? Weird.
Wait, what? What's up there? There's nothing.
Nothing, it's just
Plug.
mortared off. Oh, it smells like fart.
I wonder why.
Interesting.
That shit looks like it was mortared off too, like a long time ago. Alright, we made it to the top and we didn't even have to go the sketchy way. So we've just been repairing it forever.
Shitter question mark?
Must be. Alright, I feel like we should dip. Oh, it goes up to like
I see
here though.
It's blown out.
Yeah, I don't think you want to walk on that. Alright, yeah, I feel like we're testing our luck and we should get down.
Yes, let's go. Make our time.
Because I want to check out the town down there too.
Now we just get to check that.